Hello kids, welcome back to Fluent Learners Hub. Today we will learn two-letter words. A-M-M, A-M-M, A-N-N, A-N-N, A-S-S, A-S-S, A-T-at, A-T-at, I-T-it, I-T-it, I-F-if, I-F-if, I-N-N, I-N-N, I-S-S, I-S-S, B-E-B, B-E-B, W-E-V, W-E-V, M-E, me, M-E, me, H-E, he, H-E, he, D-O, do, D-O, do, T-O, do, T-O, do, S-O, so, S-O, so, G-O, go, G-O, go, N-O, no, N-O, no, H-I, hi, H-I, hi, O-N, on, O-N, on, O-F, off, O-F, off, O-R, or, O-R, or, O-X, ox, O-X, ox, B-Y, by, B-Y, by, M-Y, my, M-Y, my, U-P, up, U-P, up, U-S, us, U-S, us, N-O, no, O-M, om, O-M, om. Well done kids, you all did a great job. For more such video, subscribe to our channel Fluent Learners Hub.